How to create social media video templates in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and set the project resolution to match the social media platform you are targeting. For example, use 1080 by 1080 for Instagram post, 1920 by 1080 for YouTube, or 1080 by 1920 for Instagram stories and TikTok. Next, start by designing the basic layout of your template. This usually includes adding placeholders for video clips, text, logos, and other graphics. Use the title clip feature to add customizable text areas like headlines, subtitles, or captions that you can easily edit later. To add a title clip, go to the project menu and select Add Title Clip. Design your text using the built-in editor. Choose font style, size, color, and position it where you want it on the screen. After adding text placeholders, import your logo or watermark image and place it on a separate track. Adjust the size and position so it fits your social media branding. You can also add graphic elements like shapes, borders, or background colors to enhance your design. Use the color clips or import PNG images with transparent backgrounds for overlays. To make your template dynamic, add transition effects between placeholders such as fades or slides. You can do this by dragging effects from the effects panel onto clips or title clips. Once your layout is ready, save your project by going to File, Save As, and give your template a clear name. This will save your template file separately. To reuse it, simply open the saved template file whenever you want. Replace the placeholder clips, text, and images with your new content, then export your video. Now you know how to create and save social media video templates in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.